Let's look at how to order wholesale coffee bags. You have a lot of big decisions to make, so it's worth contacting your packaging supplier as early as possible. They can guide you through the process. First, you need to decide whether to order stock bags or custom bags. While stock bags are generally cheaper, custom designs allow you to really show off your branding. At MTPak, we guide you through the process from start to finish. You will also have a dedicated account manager to handle your packaging. We can also help you to decide which material to use for your wholesale coffee bags. There are plenty of options for materials. These include recyclable low-density polyethylene and compostable rice paper with bioplastic lining. Once you make these decisions, your account manager can proceed to printing and production. We then ship the bag straight to you, ready for wholesale clients. You can visit MTPak Coffee for step-by-step guidance for your wholesale coffee bag order.